Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the various data sources you can connect to using Tableau. You can connect to a variety of data sources using Tableau. So from the Tableau desktop on the left here, we have a list of items. You can connect to a Tableau server. You can connect to a Microsoft Excel file, to a text file, to a JSON file, to a Microsoft Access file, to a PDF file, to a spatial file, a statistical file, and then there are more options you can click on to see. You can also connect to various database servers. For example, you can connect to a Microsoft SQL server, a MySQL database server, an Oracle server, Amazon Redshift, and there are also more options. So if you click on this arrow for more, you will see a variety of data sources that you can connect to. If the data source you're trying to connect to is not listed in this area here, you can visit the Tableau website and then download the relevant driver for that connection. This is the Tableau website. So under the resource area, you can click on support and that will launch the support page. And then from the support page, you can select download drivers and that will expose you to the drivers available. So you can click on the options, for example, the type of data source, and then you select your relevant operating system, the bit version. Once you found the relevant connection drivers that you want to download, you can download and install that, and that will enable you to connect to that specific data source you're trying to connect to. So with Tableau, you can connect to a variety of data sources to perform data analysis.